Hello class 7. Today I am going to teach you about the exercise of the chapter number 4, that is respiration, and I am starting with the exercise, that is name the following. Here you can see this, name the following. So we have to just give the name to the following questions. Okay, now openings present on the bark of old stem. Okay, so opening which is present on the bark of the old stems are called lenticels. Okay, lenticels. Okay, second one is oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of respiratory substances. So the process in which oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of respiratory substances, and respiratory substances is glucose. Okay, so that is called, that process is called respiration. Okay, third one is the root of a plant take the oxygen required for respiration by the process. Okay, so the roots of the plant take the oxygen which is required for the respiration by the process. That process is known as a diffusion. Di, here you can see this, diffusion, diffusion. Next one is when more energy is released, the process is termed as aerobic respiration. So in aerobic respiration, more energy is released. How much energy is released? That energy is 38 ATP. Okay, and last one is type of respiration in which the end product is lactic acid. So that respiration, type of respiration in which the end product is lactic acid, that respiration is known as a anaerobic रेस्पिरेशन. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में ही लास्ट जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लैक्टिक acid. Okay, so I believe you have got this much of answers. Now I will move forward, that is choose the odd one out and giving the reason. So in this question you have to choose odd one, and for that you have to write the reason why this is odd one out. Okay, so here you can see this: yeast, ethyl alcohol, glucose, anaerobic respiration, and bacteria. So odd one is glucose. Why glucose? Because glucose is oxidized by the aerobic respiration, and rest are takes place in anaerobic respiration. So in this question only the glucose is oxidized by the aerobic respiration, but rest are takes place or take part in the anaerobic respiration. Okay, the second one is cellular respiration, internal respiration, glucose and oxygen, and anaerobes. So here anaerobe is odd one. Why? Because anaerobes does not require oxygen, O2 means oxygen, for the growth, but rest are requires oxygen for their growth. So here anaerobe will be odd one. Okay, now third one is lactic acid, anaerobic respiration, fermentation, ethyl alcohol, and glucose. Here once again glucose will be odd one out, because glucose is breaking down in presence of the oxygen. O2 is oxygen, but rest are not breaking down in the presence of oxygen. So here glucose will be odd one out. Here fourth one is glucose, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and yeast. So here yeast will be the odd one out, because yeast is a product of anaerobic respiration, but rest of the product of aerobic respiration. So yeast is a product of anaerobic respiration. Okay, that is why yeast is odd one out here. Okay, now last one is ethanol, carbon dioxide, yeast, fermentation, and diffusion. Okay, so diffusion is a process in which movement of the particles from higher concentration to lower concentration takes place, but rest are product of the anaerobic respiration. So here diffusion will be odd